all set and ready for our next activity, and that's going to be ATV ride. So now we are going there. There is three types: 250, 450, and 850. And we have taken the middle one, 450, and we have taken the tandem one, which means two can sit in one bike. Me and Chan have trust on ourselves that we will ride all the way from start to end. So hi guys, we are done with ATV ride. It was so fun, crazy.
Janvi broke her leg.
Yeah, Janvi already broke her leg. She started and she ended. No, not even half of the way. But yeah, me and Hasib went. I went half and Hasib went half. Right? It was so fun.
We
We
tried,
got
yeah.
so muddy. It's really fun. Even now, we have to go home now. Take bath. Now we are going to Kretia, guys. We got free coupons for food in good beach club. No, it is pool club, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, let's go there. Bye, guys. That's it for today. And since Janvi broke her leg, maybe we'll not be going anywhere else today. Just roam around, maybe. That's it. Bye.
Thank you.
Hi guys, good morning, and today it's day which
Four.
So it's day 4, and we just checked out from our Ubud stay, and now we'll be leaving to Munduk, where we'll be going to some of the places. We are planning for one of the activity today, that is Ali Gali waterfalls. We are thinking to do a cliff jump, but I don't know whether it works out or not. Let's see. Hopefully it will. And then now we have come to this cute little cafe in Ubud, and in Bali the coffees are the best, guys. You have to try the coffees. It's really good. We successfully made it to Halingaling waterfalls to do cliff jumping, but we just got 1 hour. Actually, we have to go down. That is how the route is. Like, it's so deep down. Waterfalls, obviously. ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I think we're almost there. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೂರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Let's go do some cliff jump, swimming. But they told the water is brown due to rain. We can swim in chlorine water. Why can't we swim in rainwater? Right? Okay. Oh my god, it is actually scary. Oh shit, that's the waterfalls. And that is where we stand and jump from. getting ready to fall, but ಧೈರ್ಯ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. I'm so scared. Let's see how it goes.
Normally.
Oh,
Normally it's lower.
If anything happens, you come back. Jump.
But if you don't wanna try here, you can do in the next one. The next
that
one
is
we
smaller.
have smaller. We have the safe one. It's not the dangerous one.
We can go there.
We can go there, yeah. For your life.
Yeah.
Here is the countdown when you're coming. Yeah. The floating, yeah. Oh, it's be careful, brother.
I think even I'll give it a shot. I'll go. How was the experience? You're bleeding. Amma.
So height, bro.
He's bleeding.
Cey. Duram cey. Duram jam cey. ఏం లేదు నిసర్గా ఏం లేదు వెళ్ళు.
Few moments later. One eternity later.
Guys, I did it. ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಸಾಹಸ ಮಾಡಿ. But I only jumped once. No, twice actually. I was so scared. Like shit scared. I could not do it. Maybe because after doing bungee jumping, I'm so scared of heights right now. Feel like I can't stay in air. My legs started shivering so badly. I could not do it. But our guide pushed me into the water first, and then I went again. That's it. But the slides was fun. That I did it so many times. It was really fun. Very good experience, guys. People who love water and swimming, you can come to these falls. But the water is a bit dirty right now because of rain. Normally it is going to be blue in color. It's like a very clear water here. Now even now it is drizzling because of rain. The water is a bit spoiled. So it was very good experience. Hasib broke his teeth. He was bleeding because he went to the bigger one, big waterfall. Tried that and how was it, Hasib?
डर के आगे जीत है.
Oh no. Okay guys, bye. So now we'll be heading to Sekumpal waterfalls. We are not going to play in water today. That's it for today. We're just going to the hanging cafe, hanging restaurant in Sekumpal, which is no, which has a really good view from the restaurant. So that's it, and then we'll be going back to our stay. Bye. Either we can walk to this restaurant or you can take your motorbikes, but obviously people will not come here in motorbikes, so these people would charge extra for that and take us by themselves in a motorbike, or else you can walk, which is around 25 to 30 minutes. We really don't have that much of patience right now. We're so tired, so we chose the motorbike. We have reached the spot. I am sitting here and just opposite to me there is a view. It's amazing. हाँ. After bungee jumping, this is one of the things I was so super excited. There are so many other boats already. now we are going, just 2 of us today, so it's a small boat. And guess what we are doing? We dolphin sighting and swimming with dolphins. So yes, very excited guys. Dolphins. I don't think so you could see.
ఇక్కడ సరిగా
Huh?
ఇగో
Where?
అరే
Wow. Whoa.
జంప్
Amazing experience. So good. Crazy to Mathura. How was it?
ఫింగర్ టు టచ్ ఇలా టచ్
Yeah, just one finger to touch the dolphin. It was so beautiful. Sakara is going for another experience, that is snorkeling. So yes, he's getting us deep into the ocean.
నేను ఒకసారి పట్టు
That is how the water is. It's so clear. I'm excited. But it's not that deep. And they told us that it won't be that deep for snorkeling. But still, it's my first time doing snorkeling, so I'm excited. Hi guys, we are done with snorkeling as well. How was the experience?
అండ్
And it was so good guys. Now we feel like we have to try scuba diving anta, because this was only so amazing. Yeah, Janvi didn't come. Janvi missed it because of her leg. But because of her leg fracture, she broke her leg. I already told. So
వితౌట్ డ్రైవర్ స్లీపింగ్
she's sleeping. We are chilling opposite to the beach. Finished. Came. We are waiting for our breakfast. She's getting ready there. Hashtag. It was amazing, guys. It was amazing. Top notch. Best. Actually, if I would rate all the activities in Bali until now, whatever we have done, this was the first amazing
దానికి
thing.
ఇట్లానే చెప్తున్నాం
No, yeah, that is also true. We are telling for everything, this is amazing, this is the best. But yeah, overall compare madadre, I feel this is the one which I loved a lot. Like, I could not shoot the video of the dolphin thing, you know, the one we were swimming with the dolphins, but it was just amazing. And then snorkeling as well, so good. Mast ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Next I would say bungee jumping. Kada? Second would be bungee jumping. Aling. Sorry, third would be Aling waterfalls, the cliff jump.
థర్డ్ ఈజ్ 18
ATV ride. No, I liked Aling. Slide. No, actually, yeah, ATV ride would be third. Fourth would be Aling. If in case I would have gone to the bigger one, or if I had jumped a bit more, I would have loved even more. But I didn't do much. So, guys, let's go to silver making today. So we are gonna make the ring from scratch. They're gonna give us some grams of silver, and then we have to do it from the scratch. We have to melt it, shape it, and everything. So let's go get it done.
రెడీ
Yes.
నిసర్గ
Oh.
Up to close.
So I am melting the silver, and Hassan is helping me get the fire from this tool. It's almost ready. We are making silver. Same.
Now, let's put in water.
Okay. Now we are softening the silver because it's hard.
Sorry.
Water?
It's acid. This water.
Okay. First dip in acid and then in water.
మనోళ్ళు వాళ్ళు
Australia.
అడ్లైడ్
Adelaide. They're not Manol. Indians are Manol. ఎక్కువ చెయ్యరు అన్నీ ఉంటుంది బయట ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఓకే ఓన్లీ ఇన్ ద is good. So this is how it is. We wanted something like matte finish and here it is.
2 hands అన్నారు
Oh no, no, not for me.
Order for you.
I made the ring guys. Oh, sorry. Should clean this. Final product. I made this ring from scratch. We are done with the silver making class, guys.
అరే పెట్రోల్
We got it done. It's pretty good. $50 ಏನೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು. Maybe it's around 5 grams or something. That's it. But it's really good. Now we'll be going to spa, guys. We are going to Maja Spa. We have already booked our appointment at 3 and now it's still 2, I guess 2:15 or something. That's like a very famous spa. Like it's so aesthetic and everything. Let's go there. And this is the first time ever I'm going to a spa. So let's see how it is going to be. My body is like it's killing me with the pains. Like we are so strained. All of us are so strained, especially after doing that snorkeling and dolphin swimming. Our body is so tired. And since we are leaving today to Melbourne, we thought why not get some relaxation. We are keeping this day very calm and chill. So this spa has Maja Spa, Maja Pilates classes
it's okay
and
no
Maja
that's
Cafe
stay
also.
yesterday
So
stay same stay
how it looks come out. That's a little cafe and this is the spa. Meanwhile, we got
yesterday when you drop they pick up
mango matcha is really good. Hasib got
okay
strawberry
I call
matcha.
you then okay
They made us sit inside. There are a lot of people getting it up. Thank you.
Excuse me, it's coconut water and coconut.
Thank you. It was so relaxing. And now we are heading to airport, guys. We are done with our Bali trip and it was adventurous and now relaxing. We are in Bali airport, done with our check-in, waiting for boarding now. We miss Bali already. It was really beautiful. And back to normal. Hasim, how was the trip?
Guys, Australia, receipts guys, scooter rental, dolphin, Aling Aling waterfalls, discount coupons,
Overacting guys. That's it. Janvi is crying. We have to. Oh, you got the coins. They're so weightless.
Gandhiji.
500 rupai. 500 rupai guys. Indonesian. Weight illa. It's like a plastic. I was the one who planned everything guys. I'll take the credits. Yeah. So before coming, it was me and Janvi who planned everything. But after coming here, we vlogged our brains, and then these people took care of everything. So still, if you guys want to know anything, you can ask me. I can help you guys if I can. That's it for the video guys. Bye. See you in my next vlog. I don't know what I'll be posting. That's it guys. And this is so cute. I got it in Bali. Janvi gifted me. Asif, tell bye to my vlog. Bye guys.